Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create your own overlay template. Uh, this is very simple. You are just going to library and select the black screen. You are just going to change the aspect ratio to 9 to 60. And you're just going to add sticker or elements you was imported, and I'm just going to add the sticker and select the sticker you like here. For instance, I'm just going to select this winter, and then just for the black screen duration to make it the same length with the sticker and merge it the stick sorry all right. So merge it the sticker, and you can add more sticker. For instance, select the sticker and merge it again. So after done, you are just going to export. Alright, just click export. And now I will show you how to use it. Alright, you are just going to media and import that's created. So go this overlay I have created, just open to import it. And how to make the custom overlay. So I'm just going to select my image and select overlay. So just put on top the image, export version, the same length. Alright, you are just going to click on the overlay, select mode overlay, select overlay, or select yeah, the mode option here you like. So I'm just going to select the overlay mode just for the opacity like so, and here we go. So that's how to make custom overlay template and how to use it on your project. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.